Today's discussion is all about rocket engine, a cryogenic engine. A cryogenic engine or a rocket engine needs a high mass flow rate of both the oxidizer and fuel to generate useful thrust. A high amount of thrust is needed in order to move the rocket into the space. Threshold velocity is required, and we know that there is a two type of fuels is needed. One is the oxidizer and the other is the fuel we needed to expel the rocket into the space. And oxygen, the most simplest and most common oxidizer we uses in an spacecraft. It is a standard pressure and temperature of liquid oxygen exists at minus 183 degrees centigrade at a liquid form, and as we hydrogen exists in minus 253 degrees centigrade in the liquid form. Both the components are easily and cheaply available, and when the oxygen is used as a catalyst to burn the hydrogen, when both are getting burned, create a high amount of specific impulse of about 45 seconds at an effective exhaust velocity of 4.4 kilometers per second. And if we convert it into the Mach number is the ratio of the velocity of the craft which is moving by this divided by the velocity of the sound. So we're getting the Mach number of about 13 if we divided it. And a rocket engine uses liquid phase of oxygen, because in a gas form we cannot use liquid oxygen in a gas form, because a high volume is required and the storage is not very difficult. That's why we required oxygen in a liquid form. And if we require the liquid at oxygen into the spacecraft, the temperature of about minus 183 degrees centigrade, and hydrogen exists at minus 253 degrees centigrade at a liquid form. Both the components are easily and cheaply available, and when one provide highest specific impulse. And rocket engine usually used by the liquid or oxygen phase. The major components, now we are going to talk about the what's the components is used in a rocket engine. The major components for cryogenic rocket engine are the combustion chamber, which is used in internal combustion engine. In any type of engine we use an internal combustion, whether it is a jet engine or cryogenic engine or an internal combustion engine. The major component is a combustion chamber and a pyrotechnic initiator. Pyrotechnic initiator is similar to the spark plug we use in our bikes or cars. This is similar to injector. Injector is used in a diesel engine and also used in a pyrotechnic technology. Is also used as a pyrotechnic initiator is also one of the you can say it is an injector type of system which combined with the spark plug. And injector turbo pumps, cryogenic rockets engine are almost exclusively pump-fed. Pump-fed engine work in a gas generator cycle or an expandable cycle, and that's the all components. There's several other components also in the cryogenic engine. We will discuss in our further coming video about the full elaboration about the jet engine.